The number of homeless people in Helena is growing. That's according to the results of the annual Point in Time survey. The survey is conducted each winter and helps determine how much federal money a community receives to address housing. MTN's Allie Kaiser spoke with United Way about the results and ways local organizations are working to help the homeless in our area.
Survey results from the annual Point in Time survey of the Unsheltered put on by the United Way of the Lewis and Clark area shows that the number of unsheltered people in Helena is on the rise.
I could stand here for hours and tell you stories of how folks have come on these hard times. But to have the statistics and to know how many folks we're really talking about means that our city officials, our county officials, even our state legislators can recognize that this truly is a problem. This isn't just our bleeding heart liberals saying, oh, we've got a problem on our hands. These are actual facts. This is the real deal.
The results of the survey show that there are currently 181 unsheltered people in Helena, an increase of 17 from 2023. That number includes 17 children, 11 veterans, and 103 with disabling conditions. The number surveyed this year is close to the average in the Homeless Management Information System, which is 180.
To know that we have these numbers helps us plan for the financial needs, helps us plan for emergency situations.
The survey is around 25 questions and conducted at the end of each January. Along with questions about demographics, it asks things like, where are you sleeping tonight? How long have you been homeless? And is this the first unsheltered episode you have had? This year, the survey was collected in a new way. The UWLCA hosted dinners at 4 locations where unsheltered individuals received a free meal while completing the survey.
I think this method worked really well, and it meets a need, of course. And so I think we will use this model going forward for sure.
The survey results come less than a week after the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that cities can enforce bans on homeless camps. Helena does have some urban camping restrictions, but it is not currently enforced. However, Helena police told MTN that they are in the initial discussions about possible changes to that policy.
Cities and counties will have to respond to that with their own policies, and we hope that it does not take the humanity out of the situation.
UWLCA says that the cost of housing and housing shortages are a major factor in the numbers of unsheltered people.
There is a direct correlation between housing prices and our unsheltered population. Unfortunately, that is the key ingredient that leads to an increase in our unsheltered population.
Helena area projects that are working to support the unsheltered population include Good Samaritan Ministries' Ruth's Place. GSM has now partnered with Family Promise to build an expansion behind Taco Bell on North Montana, increasing the facility to 12 units. UWLCA is continuing its work on the Helena Inn Hotel with the goal of converting hotel rooms into high-efficiency studio apartments. It hopes to open some rooms for occupancy around the beginning of 2025. More information about available services and ways that you can help can be found on our website. In Helena, I'm Allie Kaiser, MTN News.